I'm in beautiful Oxford because today I'm running the half marathon for charity. I'm on my way to meet with my friend Nick. In about an hour the race starts. So I'll see you in a bit. I've met up with Nick. We're heading up to the start line now.
We're ready.
And it's exciting. Look at all these people. Show them stretching skills. Easy peasy until we're dead. Three miles down, 10 to go.
I think we're halfway. I hope we're halfway. I hope when it's not in kilometers, it's in miles, because Jesus Christ. At this point, I'm still thinking half marathon next year, maybe marathon, but check back in like 2.5 miles.
He's doing it alone. This is the best part of half marathon.
This is my livelihood.
Free jelly things. 7 miles. I'm starting to feel it now. How are your legs?
Yeah, all right. They're actually in pain.
Right, the rocket soundtrack's kicking in. Sorry, yeah, it's good.
Only 2 miles to go.
Easy.
Well, my legs are really hurting. I don't know what he's talking about.
New York Marathon, here we come.
Oh my god. Where's this damn finish line?
I know, they changed the course, damn it.
Where is it? Thank you.
Victory tastes sweet.
We've gone done it.
Sonia, Katie, Robert, Alicia, Grant, Ella, Eleanor, Ali.
Okay, I'm back home now. It's the next day and my legs don't work anymore. Actually, after the race, Chrissa and I went to explore Oxford for a bit, and I had a really hard time going downstairs, like my knees were hurting. But yeah, after a good night's sleep, I feel a little bit better. As I mentioned before, we did do this for charity, which is a great cause. So yeah, I would do it again for charity, for sure. And SpecialEffect does some amazing work with kids with disabilities. So if you guys haven't actually checked the charity that we run for, I've linked them in the description. They help kids with disabilities through video games, and they actually create custom video game controllers that, you know, enable kids with any sort of disability to play and have fun. If you guys want to help and donate to the charity, click the link in the description and do so. It would mean a lot to me, and I'm sure it would mean a lot to all the kids that you're helping. That is this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like and let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed already, do so, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.